This right here is what ethanol fuel, base fuel does. That is fucking disgusting. That thing's ruined. That's why your things won't start, ladies and gentlemen. They've been sitting for a while. That right there is why they won't start.